Hello everyone, I am Dr.Siladitya Ray. I am a stress management strategist, a life coach, a relationship mentor, a success coach. You might think, I am basically into so many things. But let me tell you that, when I started off my journey as a psychiatrist, I am basically a consultant holistic psychiatrist, meaning, I take care of very many aspects of human life and then actually suggest the right method, the right track, and do the interventions for my clients. Not all of them are patients. See, every time, you people come for a consultation to me, I don't consider you to be a patient. You can be an individual with certain problems, and those problems has to be settled. Something, like in the form of a guidance that you require, some sort of a mentoring required to come out of it. Now, coming to the very intention of this series of episodes that you're going to see over a period of time on YouTube is something with the purpose of showing you the right track, the right path, the right guidances, the right mentoring, wherein you can handle life better. The very reason that these days we are having a huge number of individuals or clients or patients who are suffering from anxiety, depression, then adjustment problems, behavioral issues, addictive problems, they are happening because these people are not bold enough to tackle life head on. And at the same time, these are the people who do not know how to fight it out in the middle. But for example, if you are, say, a cricketer, you need to be well versed in the various aspects of cricketing as a cricketer. So you need to learn things. The same thing applies in our life also. You need to learn certain things about how to tackle or negotiate life. Like the reason that many people face problem can be related to the fact that they do not know how to tackle it. And on the other hand, if you have individuals who are doing pretty well in their life, could be the reason that they know how to tackle life. So that's a very important area you need to differentiate upon. Now, in the course of this video, we are going to talk about aspects like what are the various stresses which are acting around you. Like you can have financial stress, job stress, relationship stress, and stress emanating out of living in big congested cities. You can have a problem with your work, which is related to job. So we'll talk about job stress. We'll talk about work, relationship, the balance. We'll talk about various vicissitudes of human life. We'll talk about how to balance it out in the middle. We'll talk over on things which are going to be something like an empowerment to you. Now, life as is seen from outside might appear to be a very pleasurable place, but it isn't. But by saying this, I'm not saying that you give up on life. Life has to be handled, tackled, negotiated in the right spirit, with the right knowledge and with the right skills, so that you come out unscathed. You are totally untouched by the oddities of life. Now, as I keep on saying in various programs of mine, that we don't live long actually. Life is very short. But the point is that if you live it the right way, you can do a lot. You can really succeed. You can really excel. So remember that. You are given the chance of a lifetime. You are born alone. You die alone. But the entire responsibility of doing it well, performing it well, while you are actually wading through life, is something up to you. So you have to do your bit. You have to be responsible about your life. Life isn't a rose garden. It isn't a bed of roses. It's a very tough task out over there. Life is tough. So what you need to learn is to be equally tough in order to come face to face with life and tell life, here I am. I can handle you right through. So that should be the spirit. It can be cultivated, that the spirit of survival, the spirit of really fighting it out in the middle can be cultivated, and I'm telling you, mark my words, it has to be cultivated. Otherwise, life can be a very difficult place indeed. But by saying this, I'm not really emphasizing on the point that you surrender to life saying that, okay, I'm defeated. You are not defeated. Life can never defeat you. On the other hand, you should be in such a position that you teach life a lesson. not that life is going to teach you a lesson. Mark my words, this is very important advocacy, I do that. Another important aspect that I'm going to talk about in the course of my presentation is that in life you have aspects like jealousy, anger, emotions, hyper-emotionality, being very religious. All these things are fine, but they have to be in the right doses. They have to be in the right proportion. So we'll talk about sense of proportion. We have to talk about a sense of responsibility. Responsibility is something, it has to be cultivated. Some people in the form of you have it from inside, but there are occasions where you need to cultivate responsibility, like as you do with your children. So in summary, the whole objective of my presentation is going to be to open out to you a world of possibility, a world of areas wherein you are going to learn the right way, the right method to handle life in its various aspects, in its various monstrosity and its various finery. But if you are going to be happy and liking my presentations, please subscribe to my account in YouTube, and you definitely be aware of this particular bell icon. So press bell icon so that in the future, whatever episodes, whatever videos that I'm going to make for you all, to help you all, are going to be seen by you. Thank you. Thanks a lot.